Yep. Yeah. Are they getting all wet?
Cool. Hi, guys. Not my Hadley. Hadley, you can go play.
Did you get your head wet?
You've never done this, huh, Hadley? Brennan's thinking about it. You can do it, buddy.
You get your head wet?
This is the perfect kind of rain because it's like 100 degrees still, you know.
Yeah.
It's actually cooled down quite a bit.
It feels nice.
Do you want Kaylee to take off her shoes?
I don't care. I mean, they're already soaked anyway.
Woo! How is it, guys? Jaden, look at
Okay,
baby.
guys, we actually do have to get going.
How is it?
Okay.
Good! How's it, Hadley?
Oh,
Do it, buddy.
Let me take your shoes off, Daisy.
Come on! Let's play for Kaylee!
Yay, buddy!
Kaylee!
Brennan! Buddy! Was that fun? Brennan, was that fun? Go again, buddy. Go, go, go.
Brennan said that about the last few days. So nice.
Go, Brennan, go!
Oh, yeah?
Oh, gross. See the benefits of not getting your kids dressed before noon, Sean?
And I even had him shower today, and
Did you? We should call Carrie and just have her come over here. Hadley.